In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check revenue on Acuity Scheduling, a platform that's popular for its powerful scheduling and business management features. For business owners, keeping track of your revenue is crucial to understand how well your business is performing. Acuity makes this process simple and straightforward. Let me walk you through the detailed steps to access and review your revenue reports. First, you'll need to navigate to the Acuity Scheduling website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the address, or use a saved bookmark if you have one. As soon as you arrive at the home page, you'll notice the familiar login prompt. Enter your credentials to log into your account. This step ensures that you have access to all the features within your Acuity account, including revenue reports. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard. Here you'll find various tabs that provide access to different parts of the platform. Look for the tab labeled Reports. This section houses all the data and insights you need to manage and track your business performance efficiently. Go ahead and click on Reports. With the Report section open, you'll notice several options that pertain to various aspects of your business records. Our focus today is on revenue, so find the button or link that says Revenue. Click on it to delve deeper into the financial aspect of your business. It might just take a moment for the revenue page to load, as it gathers all the recent data to present to you. Now that you're on the revenue page, you will see an organized display of your earnings. The revenue report is structured in a user-friendly way to help you quickly grasp how your sales and income have been shaping up over a selected period. At a glance, you should see totals for specific time frames, which could range from daily to annually, depending on your preferences or requirements. The data presented here is valuable. It allows you to track if you are meeting your financial goals and where most of your revenue is coming from, whether it's certain services, specific clients, or particular time slots. Understanding these trends can help inform your business decisions and marketing strategies. Acuity's platform offers all this data in a clear and actionable format, so take a moment to explore various insights provided in this section. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to checking your revenue on Acuity Scheduling. By regularly reviewing these reports, you can make informed decisions that drive your business forward. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful business management tips.